In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Fandom website not working and not opening or loading problem on laptop. If you're having trouble accessing the Fandom website on your laptop, whether the site won't open, keeps loading indefinitely, or simply isn't working as expected, this guide will walk you through several troubleshooting methods that can help resolve the issue. These fixes are simple to perform and can often solve common browser-related problems that prevent websites from functioning properly. Let's begin with the first method, which is clearing your browsing data. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the upper right corner of the screen. Click the three-dot menu icon and select Settings. Once you're inside the Settings page, go to the Privacy and Security section. Scroll through the available options until you find the feature for clearing browsing data. Open it and choose the option to clear your data. Removing old browsing information can help eliminate corrupted files or outdated website data that may be interfering with Fandom's performance. If the issue continues, the next step is to clear cached files and cookies. Open the three-dot menu again and go back to Settings. Navigate to Privacy and Security, then scroll down until you locate third-party cookies. Open that section and continue scrolling until you find the option to view all permissions or site-related data. Open it, locate the sorting menu, and change the sorting method to Most Visited. After doing that, choose the option to clear the stored data. This helps remove website-specific files that may be causing loading or connection problems. Finally, after completing all of these methods, restart your laptop. A fresh restart allows your system and browser to reload properly and apply the changes you've made. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell